Gerry The Monk Hutch is being pursued by the Criminal Assets Bureau for almost €800,000 in alleged unpaid tax. It is understood he was issued with correspondence from CAB stating that he owes in the region of €790,000 in unpaid tax to revenue between 2006 and 2010. Hutch was not available for comment, but a source close to him said, "There's no chance he's paying that." The bill was issued following a raid on Hutch's home in Lanzarote after his arrest in October of last year by Spanish police. The correspondence from CAB to Hutch states that he owes the hefty bill due to miscellaneous income it claims he failed to declare between 2006 and 2010. When contacted, a spokesperson for An Garda Síochána said CAB is not in a position to comment on this matter. The now 62-year-old, described in court as the patriarch of the Hutch family, was operating a limo service called Carry Any Body after securing a taxi licence. The name was a play on the Criminal Assets Bureau, which is now pursuing him.